How much influence does artificial intelligence have on the modern field of defense? Well, to put it simply, it's immense and growing by the day. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is firmly establishing its importance in defense, proving to be a game changer in this high-stakes field. From surveillance to decision-making, combat operations to logistics, AI is strategically woven into every aspect of defense. Surveillance systems now leverage AI to detect and analyze threats, providing real-time data that is critical for decision-making. On the battlefield, AI-driven combat operations are reshaping warfare, enabling precision strikes while reducing collateral damage. Defense sectors worldwide are increasingly relying on AI technologies, harnessing their power to enhance efficiency and accuracy. These technologies not only streamline operations, but also add a layer of sophistication, allowing for rapid responses to dynamic situations. As AI continues to evolve, so does its role in defense, transforming it into a more efficient, precise, and sophisticated sector. When it comes to defense, who has the upper hand, humans or artificial intelligence? This question sparks a fascinating debate. On one side, we have humans, the architects of defense strategies for centuries. Humans bring to the table a unique blend of qualities. They possess the ability to make ethical decisions, a crucial aspect in any defense strategy. Humans understand context, allowing them to adapt and respond to unexpected situations. They can take into account cultural nuances, human emotions, and unpredictable variables that AI is yet to master. On the other side, we have artificial intelligence, the newcomer in the defense arena. AI boasts speed and accuracy that far exceed human capacity. It can process and analyze vast volumes of data faster than we could ever imagine. This capability allows AI to identify patterns and predict potential threats with remarkable precision. However, AI comes with its own set of limitations. It heavily depends on data. Without it, AI is like a ship without a compass. AI also struggles to understand context and lacks the ability to make ethical judgments.